Well, dude, last night I felt like you could go last night based on that what happened.
I don't know. Nothing happened last night. No,
is it what
look,
happened?
I tell you what happened, man. I tell you what it is. I'm free here in New York City. You know what I mean? I'm back in New York. I got to go to the Barclays Center again. I got to present an award. I was just going to have a good time. You know what I mean? And that's it. All love.
Are you already past it already? It's just
It's
whatever.
all good, man. You come to the next fight. Then more than come watch me perform anytime. I'll perform, no problem. You know what I mean? Everyone's more than welcome to come to my fights or come to the shows. You know what I mean? That's
So obviously no beef with Machine Gun Kelly.
I don't even know the guy. I don't know him. Who is he? Do you know what I mean? He's supposed to be at the fights. Megan's been at the fights years. Megan has been at the fights years. So I know Megan, and then I don't know the guy. There's no problem. Come to the fights. No problem. Man.